Alright everyone, hi and welcome to the video. My name is Saumil Shah. I'm a software engineer at JobTarget. In this video I'll be teaching you about Airflow S3 logging. That is nothing but how you can save your logs of Airflow into AWS S3. Airflow offers a lot of built-in features, and in this video I'm going to be walking you how to do that in Airflow2. Let's get started with this video without wasting much of time. I'm going to share my screen. I'm on my AWS console. You want to head over to the AWS. First of all, in the AWS, you want to go to IAM. Click on IAM, the first one right here. It's really easy. If you understand the basics and concept, things should be easy. So once we are here, you want to go to the user section. You want to add a user. I'm just going to call it test user. Make sure you give a programmatic access. Make sure you attach a policy of administrative access. But most importantly, S3 access is also fine. Next, review. Next, and once you're done, you'll give you this access and secret. Copy that. Now, since you're done with that, once you're done with that, I already have mine AWS access key and secret key here. You have to store it in this format. So you see AWS access _ key _ ID, this, and similarly the secret. So this is the format in which you want to store it. Okay, I'm showing you that. So you did that, amazing. Now what do you want to do? Well, you want to come to the Airflow Docker file that I've done. Now make sure you say Airflow, this is to be true. All you have to change is here, it would be XXX. Make sure you add your bucket name and connection ID as log S3, and that's it. Just want to say Docker compose up. So this would start up the entire stack. So essentially what we did is, first of all, we created a connection ID on AWS, right? We created an access key and secret key. Make sure he has all the appropriate rights. Once you have that, in the Airflow UI, we are going to create a connection from that. And from that, it's just piece of cake. Let me show you now. So I'm starting up my stack. This might take a couple of seconds. So let's be a little patient. Meanwhile, that is being done. Let's go to the UI and see if it's running. So still the stack has to start. So we'll wait here. So as you can see, it's still starting everything. So let's wait for, usually it takes about a minute or two. But with all of these settings, all your logs, whenever you run a DAG, each and everything logs will be stored on S3. And when you restart it, it would be retrieved from S3. So on those logs, you could ingest it on Dynamo or Elasticsearch. So possibilities are endless, guys. So here you can see it's still starting up all the instances. So Celery worker, scheduler, web server, Redis queue, all of the entire stack is starting. So be patient. This is a lot of stuff is being started right now in the Docker Compose. So it's still starting. So that's my Docker file. Code is in the description, so you don't have to worry about the code as always. So the only one thing that you have to do is basically you just have to create a connection from the UI. Just want to show you that. Let's wait for a couple of more minutes. This is still loading, so I'm gonna wait for a few minutes. One thing important that I would tell you is you have to install these libraries. That's the wrong file actually, but requirements.txt. So here you see I say Apache, Airflow, S3 and crypto. So you want to install all of these libraries. If you don't have, it's not gonna work, guys. So just make sure to have all of these libraries installed. Okay. So again, it's starting up the stack. Let's wait. Let's just be patient for now. It takes a while, I know. So it's still starting. Postgres, SQL, Airflow web server, workers, Flower, everything is starting up. So I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I had to go through a lot of Stack Overflow to just understand the kind of this. I tried a lot. It was not working before, but finally I made it to work. So I just want to share that with you. Let's wait for a couple of more seconds. I know it's a little you can of course fast forward it. I'm not gonna edit the video because the stack takes time. My computer is not that fast, right? So usually it takes a time about like 5 minutes to spin up the entire stack. So let's see. Still not yet. Okay, hopefully now it should be ready. I guess. So it should be starting now. As you can see, now we are receiving. It's almost done. So the stack should start now. Okay, let's do a refresh again. So now it's loading. That means it's starting up the web server, I guess now. So we just have some warnings. It's fine. We'll ignore those warnings for now. It's taking quite a while. Yeah, because yeah, we have a lot of dependencies. I have like two scheduler because if any of the one scheduler fails automatically, it would spin up the other scheduler. So yeah, I have a full-blown stack here. So you can see workers. We have two schedulers. I'm still waiting for the stack to start up. Hopefully. So let's wait for a couple of more seconds. Okay, I guess finally it's done because I see some. So it should be started out. So here you can see the stack has started. Now the username password would be Airflow. Please make sure to add those credentials here. Once you log in, it's just a piece of cake. Guys, come, let me just stop that because it's logging the logs on the S3. So you want to come to this connection, guys, and come to connection, okay? I already have a connection called log S3. So click on the plus button right here. I'm just guiding you through the steps, what you need to do. The name of that should be the one you have given in a Docker file. So I guess I gave log S3, right? So I'm just showing you, okay, follow my steps. You should be good to go. So you want to copy this, paste that here. Here you want to select S3 and where it says extra, right? There, paste this format. So of course, where it says angle bracket, paste your credentials there. With that being said, once you do all of that, just want to show you, I mean, so if I turn this task on, as you can see, Airflow task. So now, as you can see, I have started the task, right? So this is some task which is running after every minute. So if you see on my AWS S3 bucket, this should log all my logs on AWS S3. So I'm just gonna quickly open up my bucket here, AWS S3. It's taking a while, so let's be patient. So yeah, whatever base URL you want, in this case I said it should be in a folder called logs. So if you come to this logs and here you can see this is my bucket. So I gave the base URL and then the logs. So all my logs are in this folder. So as you can see, all the logs are here. You can go over that logs, project one. These are the logs, names sorted by DAGs and followed by the timestamp. So yeah, I hope this was useful. I know a lot of people do struggle with this. That is the reason I just wanted to make this video. And I know this video would be helpful to a lot of people. I would leave the entire code in the description, so kindly check it out. If you have any more questions, list your questions in the comments. I would be very happy to assist you. Once again, guys, keep smiling, keep coding, don't give up, and see you guys in the next video.